Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete Vaughn's account. While Vaughn's offers a robust Vaughn's For You program with valuable features, there currently isn't a self-service option to delete your account directly through the website or the app. So in order to delete the account, you will need to contact the customer support by phone. So let me show you how you can find it out. First of all, open a web browser of your preference. Go to the URL box and type in vaughns.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Vaughn's. From the main homepage, click on the Accounts tab at the top right corner. Now click on the Contact Us option on the right hand corner. Now scroll all the way down and click on the See All button under Other Ways to Contact Us. You will be able to see phone numbers that you can call on in order to request for your account deletion. You can pick on the numbers and make a call, and their representatives can assist you with deactivating your account and answer any questions you may have about the process. So that is how you will be able to delete your Vaughns.com account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.